Hi guys, in this video we are going to see transfer pump control and what's the function of transfer pump. So see, there's a simple diagram. So I showed for the construction of sample for the transfer pump connections. So here the 2 points are available. One is the source and another destination. So actually transfer pump means transfer the one level to another level, liquid or gas, whatever it is, it should be transfer one level to another level. So see here, this is the source and this one is destination. The liquid should be transferred here to here by using this motor. This motor should be called for the transfer pump. So here we have 2 tanks. So this is source tank, and then source tank have a two float switch. One is upper side and another one is the lower side. The 2 float switch are available, and in this pipe too, the water or liquid should be transferred by using this motor for the in this next level. So this is for transfer pump. So for whatever motor you can use for that one is called for transfer pump. So see here the FR1, FR2, so here 2 float switch are available for the designation point. So here we are going to control by using this float switch to this motor running and off. So minimum level of this level liquid should be available, then only the FL1 should be close to switching on the motor, the transfer pump. Because of this, the FL1 is a dry run protection, and then if in case the liquid levels will be the FR1 touched to FR1 means the level of FR1 means the tank is filled. So this level the motor should be not too on, because of the tank should be getting overflow. So that's why this FR1 should be protect the overflowing of tank. So then the water level should going for the FR2 level, means the water should be the lower level. So the motor should be giving a command for automatically to on. So if in case the water should be filled and up to the top level, the TR1 going to switch up by using the float operation. So this operation should be, we are going to see the control diagram. So this open and close by using the float switch to switching on the motor. So the FR2 going to switch on, switch up by float in auto operation. Only going to switch on, switch off the FR2, but switch off by using for the FR1, because of the after the reaching this small particular level to we switch off the motor by the top level. So the on and off operation by based on FR1, FR2 and FL1. So these 3 float switch used to we can operate this motor for the controlling of this motor by using this float switch. So now we are going to see the control diagram. So first of all, the control diagram having auxiliary supply. So here auxiliary supply taken for the 230 voltage AC. This is all for by using float switch and relays is to control the transfer pump. So this is auxiliary supply 230 voltage AC I taken for here. And then the FI means a fire interface. If in case fire is occurred, you should be the open the circuit to protect the motor. And then this is the control fuse, is the control fuse to the control the circuit protection. This all control should be used in the control push. The FL1, so already we seen for the FL1 the first the source tanks minimum level. So this is for a dry run production of FL1. The minimum level should be water is occurred means it should be closed, then only we can operate the next level of operation. Otherwise you should not close, and then you should not going to operate this FL1. So the FL1 should be the dry run production of the motor. And then OLR, so the OLR should be the overload production for the, this is the normally we are giving for the devolve starter. So this is the devolve starter method to we control the transfer pump. So here 2 types of operation are available. So one is hand, another one is auto. So first of all we are going to see the hand operation. So the hand operation should be close, mean the stop push button to stop and start push button to restart. We can press the start push button means it should be close to run the C1 conductor. So C1 conductor for the main motor conductor. So see here, so the R1 should be closed by using the C1 conductor 2, and then the run indication by using the R1 relay, and then OLR. The FR1 is at almost top level of the water in the designation side. So the top level of designation means the water is filled. That means the overflow is protected by using this. Suppose the water is filled that level, this R2 relay should be operated by using the FR float switch to open this circuit and switch off the motor. So this is a hand operation. So here the trip indication should be OLR is to trip lamp indication should be available, and run indication by using R1 relay. So this is a normally the hand operation. Now we are going to see the auto operation, means the FR2. This is the FR2 is a lowest level of destination tank. So here the lowest level means the minimum level should be reached in the destination tank, means we need to switch on the motor. So the FR should be close to FR float should be close to switch on the motor, but that level should be reached. It should not go into off, because of the R1 relay should be operated by using the FR2. Since this R1 relay 2, we can operate the C1 by the simultaneously operation of the thing. That means if you fill the lowest level of the tank, so then only we can switch off the motor. So this is a simple operation to control the transfer pump. So if you have any doubt, please comment here, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.